Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain the ghost knife effect in MM2. We'll cover how to achieve various ghostly appearances and abilities. First, we'll look at the Ghostify visual effect, which makes your knife appear translucent with cool ghost particles. Then, we'll dive into the ghost perk, offering temporary invisibility for strategic plays. Finally, we'll explore an advanced technique involving a specific ghost knife item that allows for unique movement glitches. Let's get started on mastering these spectral powers. The Ghostify effect is a fantastic way to customize your knife with a spooky, translucent look. When applied, your blade will shimmer with a ghostly transparency, accompanied by small, ethereal particles. This visual flair is purely cosmetic, but it certainly adds a unique touch to your gameplay. You can easily obtain this effect from the in-game shop. It typically costs 2,000 coins or, alternatively, 200 gems, making it accessible for many players to enhance their style. The ghost perk is incredibly useful for evading the murderer or surprising targets as the murderer. When activated, your character becomes completely invisible for a brief period. While it's usually a temporary ability, there's a challenging, frame-perfect glitch that can make you invisible for an entire round. To try this, select any perk other than Ghost before a round starts. As the map loading screen turns completely black, quickly tap the Q key. If timed perfectly, you'll be ghosted for the whole round. Beyond visual effects and invisibility, a particular ghost knife item offers an advanced technique called ghost flinging. This knife is unique because its collision box is always active, even when you're just holding it. This unusual property, initially seen as a drawback, can be exploited for rapid movement. By carefully positioning your character with the ghost knife against two angled surfaces, like a fence corner, and then repeatedly jumping, you can actually fling yourself across the map. It's a tricky but rewarding maneuver for skilled players.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.